Eat a sizable, protein-filled breakfast. 8 tricks for avoiding weight gain this holiday season. Enjoy this holiday season while staying healthy. When it comes to navigating the buffet tables and open bars of the holiday season, everyone struggles. Even the healthiest among us find ourselves tempted by all the treats. Despite our best intentions, it's so easy to overdo it. The holidays can be festive, stressful, or both, and in any case, it can be hard to resist the assortment of delicious, high-calorie, not-so-good-for-you indulgences on offer. The effects are real. But while there's a common perception that people gain several pounds during the holiday period, data from studies has put that estimate closer to 1 pound. Even if we enter holiday gatherings in a healthy frame of mind, vowing to have just a few treats and fill our plates with lots of veggies and lean proteins, an overwhelming display of rich hors d'oeuvres, cookies, cakes, and a few seasonal cocktails can leave our healthy intentions out in the cold. Still, what keeps the temptation from leading to a season-long binge is having an arsenal of healthy tactics at the ready. Eat a sizable, protein-filled breakfast. It's common knowledge that you shouldn't skip breakfast the day of an event, but Alison Borgmeyer, RD, takes the tip to another level. I've been obsessed with eating a large breakfast since I saw a 2013 study in obesity that showed overweight and obese women who ate the majority of their calories at breakfast lost more than double the weight and twice as many inches as those who ate the same number of total calories later in the day, says Borgmeyer. What exactly does a sizable breakfast look like? Borgmeyer's typical morning meal is a green smoothie full of fruits, veggies, and chia or hemp seeds, along with some egg whites or egg beaters, and a tea latte with soy milk on the side. Please like and subscribe this channel for more videos. Also press the bell icon for updates.